I'm Annabel, and today we are going to be painting something that I thought we could paint, and it's called Super Cat. And I have Craving Oil watercolor paint, and the brushes that we might want to be using today are around 6, around 3, and around 6. And the pencil I'm using is a 2B. It's kind of light, and let's get started. So let's first draw Super Cat's head. So up, down, there. Now I think we shall draw Super Cat's body. Pretty much an oval. And let's draw its back leg, so it's gonna be flying. So maybe like that and that. Perfect. And maybe a little tail. You can do the tail how you want. Oh, and also I prefer doing this in pencil, but marker crayons or something like that should be. Anyway, let's draw that paw going this way. And we might want to take our eraser and erase this part. So it's like Super Cat, because it's like its arm, Super Cat's arm is above it, so we technically aren't supposed to see it. And that is some of the drawing. Now let's draw the village and town and trees below. So this part you can do for free. You can do it how you want it. So, and also if I'm going too fast, you may pause the video. And maybe a road. There we go. And a little car. And maybe stick people, maybe something else, but I'm gonna do a building. My building is gonna be kind of 3D. There we go. And that's all that I want to do for my Super Cat, little town thing. Now let's do its face. So let's do little triangles in those ears. And we are going to do whiskers. Only on one side, because the other whiskers are kind of hidden like that other arm. And now let's do the eyes. And also there's one other thing. So draw 2 lines, then a circle, but we might want to draw 2 lines under that. There. That. Then right there, we are gonna do like some swirls. So it's a little cape. And now it shall be time to color. But if you want to add anything else, like a little super costume or anything, feel free. I'm gonna make his little watch. His like little watch to transform. And I might want to make a little bag and draw a little fish on it. Black cat like fish, so it kind of matches. Now let's color. Hooray! So let's get our round 6. And here is a question for you guys to think about for the end of the video. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? Now think about that. You can make your cat have any colors, but I'm gonna make mine brown and white. Oops. There we go. So that is all I'm going to do for my super cat. I'm going to leave some of the rest of him white. Now let's take our round small 6 and let's do the eyes. And Super Cat's powers are super strength, heat vision, and fire paws, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I cannot remember. So now since we don't have pink, we're gonna have to mix it. Take a little bit of red. Then get some white. Keep mixing until you get the color and shade of pink that you want. There we go. That's the pink that I want. Whoa! Whoops. Hold on. I accidentally dropped my pencil. Now let's take our round small 3 and pick up some of that pink and put it on the nose. That is way too much. There we go. And the ears. And there. Now let's get that big round 6 out again, and I want to do Super Cat's cape blue. So I'm gonna get that blue, then get my other blue and mix them together and see what shade of blue I will get. Ooh, that is a nice shade. I'm gonna use that for Super Cat. It's cape. There we go. Now we are officially done painting Super Cat. And now let's get back out that brown. And I'm gonna paint that trunk of the tree green. Brown. The trunk is brown. But I'm gonna paint the leaves green. There we go. And I am gonna paint the building magenta. If you have seen Puss in Boots, The Last Wish, you may find that you might see something on my tutorials that kind of does something familiar. And that is all for me. But if you want to add more color, a background, or whatever, feel free. I'm going to get my smallest brush, get some black, but not a lot. And see this spot by the tree? I'm going to put my initials, AC. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my mom's channel, Michelle Crawford, and thanks for watching. Bye.